Republic of the Philippines. President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The 16th time that was going to Maligayang, you know, God enjoyed us among us for this fellowship.
Not be so sensitive and wala akong pinapaboran. I'm to video. Ayaw na ata eh. But Mindanao was already Islam. Para sa akin, wala yan. I mean, what to do in Mindanao. But among the five of us, talagang stupid lang sa school. Whoever really